Hi. Today, we will talk about Google Cloud Storage, an object storage for companies of all sizes that let you store any amount of data and retrieve it as often as you like. Customers use Google Cloud Storage in many ways. You can back up data to a Google Cloud Storage bucket from other storage providers or move data from a standard storage bucket to a nearline storage bucket to reduce storage costs. You can use it also for media content storage and delivery or as an integrated repository for analytics and ML. Google Cloud Storage always encrypts your data on the server side before it is written to disk at no additional cost. Data traveling between a customer's device and Google is encrypted by default using HTTPS TLS. Google was the first major cloud service provider to enable HTTPS TLS by default. But what is object storage? It's not the same as file storage, where you manage your data as a folder hierarchy, and is not the same as block storage, where your operating system manages your data as disk blocks. Instead, object storage means this: you tell your memory, keep this arbitrary sequence of bytes, and the memory allows you to address it with a unique key. In Google Cloud Storage and other systems, these unique keys are in the form of URLs, which means that object storage works well with web technologies. After you create a project, you can create a cloud storage bucket and upload or download your objects from it. You can also grant permissions to make your data accessible to principals you specify, or for certain use cases, such as hosting a website, accessible to everyone on the public internet. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope you enjoyed this Google Cloud component.